Today, I wanted to talk about personal responsibility. Personal responsibility is one of the major things that will help us reach our desired lifestyles and accomplish our dreams. If for any reason you ever think the reason you're not succeeding is outside of you, you've already failed. You have to take 100% responsibility that any failure in your life is because of something you missed. It doesn't matter whether you think it's the economy, where you were born, and the country, the leadership. That is all irrelevant. If you take all the personal responsibility on yourself, you will certainly succeed because you will start changing things. I remember when I first started my business in 2011, my first mentor taught us to think lifestyle by design. What kind of lifestyle do you want? Because you don't want to build a business that will tie you down. For example, my lifestyle, I wanted to be portable because I love to travel. I wanted to be able to do everything online and be able to attend to my clients around the world without being in a particular place. At the same time, making loads of money, freedom of time, freedom of location. I wanted all that, and that's why I chose to do my coaching business right online, whereby I can be anywhere in the world and still be able to work using technology. So with that, I had to take personal responsibility in everything. All the power had to go back to me. Now I'm asking you, are you taking your power back? You have to take your power back by force. If you want to succeed in this life, you have to look at your life, evaluate, and know, okay, if something is wrong, it's on me. But then don't take it with guilt and a burden. Take it more from a place of understanding to make a good change, to make a lasting change. Because you don't want to work out of guilt and resentment and feeling unaccomplished. No, no, no. There is no guilt and condemnation here. This is, we are coming from a place of understanding to get things aligned better. So I encourage you to take personal responsibility, look into your life, see what's not working, be honest with yourself, then start finding solutions